Beautifully renovated ranch home in the heart of popular Rivergate. Flat yard, split floor plan and vaulted ceilings are just a few features that make this home special and feel large. AC, water heater, windows and most fixtures recently replaced. Both bathrooms gutted and everything replaced with an updated, luxury look. Open floor plan includes vaulted ceiling, great room with gas logs, kitchen including granite and stainless steel appliances and bright dining area. Luxury primary with renovated bath. 2 beautifully decorated guest rooms with remodeled shared bath. Spacious laundry room with cabinets leading to recently painted and organized garage. New fence around the beautifully landscaped backyard. Spacious deck with lovely pergola. Storage shed. Neighborhood includes a park, dog park, outdoor workout equipment and connects to Walker.